Hey, what's going on everybody? So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can create an YouTube video transcript, 100% automated AI powered YouTube transcript using tool called Dumpling AI and make.com. So basically in this video, I'm going to show you how you can automate that part of the work, because I think it is really important, because a lot of time, like if you are a content creator, if you're creating a video content for yourself or for your clients, it is really important to get some ideas around like what exactly we have to tell in our videos, what exactly the script looks like and everything. So for that we need some kind of a reference, and then other people YouTube video is kind of a very good reference point, right? But again, we tend to face difficulties in getting the transcript of that YouTube videos, the exact script word by word from that YouTube video, and we try to get that using some sort of a website on the Google, and then a lot of time we failed to get that right. So I'm going to solve that problem in this video, because in this video, once you add the YouTube URL in a choice of your database like Google Sheet or Airtable, you will get the transcript of your YouTube videos of any sort of YouTube video automatically without you doing anything. You just need to add a YouTube URL into that, right? So yeah, that's what we are going to see in this particular video. So again, then once you get the transcript, you can use that transcript in any way you want. Let's say basically if you want to create another script that looks like look alike from that transcript, you can do that. If you want to create a, if you want to summarize that, and if you want to create a social media post out of that, you can do that. If you want to create a blog content out of that, you can also do that as well. There are endless possibilities with this particular YouTube scraper, right? So now let's dive into the video. I hope you all of you guys are like excited. So yeah, let's dive into that. So basically this is the exact system that I have showed you in the last video, and then again this is the part of that video where like I'll show you like how to scrap that YouTube videos. Okay, so now let's look at this. So the tool that we are going to use for that is like Dumpling AI. It is a no code toolkit that will help you to achieve a lot of things. When I say a lot of, there are literally 50 things that you can do with this tool, and if this tool is not there, you have to use those 50 different tools or softwares, and then integrate those into the make.com in order to achieve the same output, right? And then let me show you what I'm actually talking about. So let's say this is the tool which can help you to like generate an AI agent, images, knowledge base, transcription, SERP, access to the Google SERP, right? And then extract data from any sort of image, URL, doc, PDF, videos. Then it will also convert PDF to text, doc to text. Now again, if you want to do everything, if you want to do any of the thing, you have to connect a different tool. But again, with the Dumpling AI, everything at one place, and then you just need to pay for one pay for this tool only, and then you will get to do, you can do everything with just one subscription. And that is something that I think really cost effective, I would say. And then if you want to, if you haven't signed up yet with the Dumpling AI, just click the link in the description box below, and you will be able to sign up with my affiliate link. And yeah, from there I will get some little commission, affiliate commission. But yeah, you are free to sign up from any link you want, but again, if you do it from my link, that would be great help to me. So yeah, I think this is the tool that we are going to use. Now let's see how the system is going to work. So the first step that we need to do is like we need to create a sheet database, right? So this is the sheet that we are going to use in this one. So basically here there are 6 columns: YouTube URL, summary, and then again these are the columns that you can create by your own, depend on what you want to achieve with the YouTube transcription and the summary, right? That's basically up to you. But again, the one thing that you need to do is once you create this sheet and then create the system, you just need to add YouTube URL here, and then the system will automatically trigger and run. So now let's create a system for that. So first thing is like we need to add a Google Sheet where like we want to watch whenever like new rows are added, right? So here we are going to select the spreadsheet, which is like AI powered YouTube scraper, and then let's set the limit for now. It's, let's set it 1. Okay, sheet name and the 1, and then okay. Okay, and then the next step is like we have to add dumpling AI, where like we are going to add select the get YouTube transcript. Now if you have created account, just go to you will see interface like this. Just go to API keys and then generate new secret API key, and then copy that API key. Just come over to dumpling.ai in make.com, click on this add button, and once you click on that, give it a name and then add your API key here, paste your API key here, right? That's it. You just need to do that, nothing else. And then now here just add a YouTube URL from the Google Sheet module, and then we don't want any timestamps. Again, if you want it for a different purpose, you can always check yes here, but again we don't want it, so we check no and then click on OK, right? And then another thing is like we want to add that transcript to Google Sheet, right? So click on this update row, select this spreadsheet, AI powered YouTube scraper, yep. Select the sheet name and row number, which will be select from the previous module, and then again you can add a script or the transcript column here, but again I'm adding the transcript into this summary column. Okay, and then click on this OK for the testing purpose, for this video purpose. So yeah, the system is ready. Now we have everything that we need to transcribe the particular YouTube video, right? So now let's run this particular module and then see what kind of a transcription we'll get from the system. So I think that's already done. Let's look at the Google Sheet and then see this is the exact transcription from the video. So basically if you want to check it like is it an exact transcript or not, you can always check it from other tools, other website on the Google, and then see if this is the right transcript. Or what you can do, you can just go to that video and then see the beginning part, and then identify if the transcript is correct or not, right? So yeah, this is what we'll get from the system. So every time you add a new row, you add a new YouTube URL here, the system will trigger. You just need to turn it on, and then also you can set the timer. Let's say if you want to run it every day or at regular interval like 15 minutes or 1 hour or 2 hour, you can do that, right? And then from there, whenever like you add a YouTube URL to your Google Sheet, the system will run and then it will give you a transcript basically. So yeah, I think that's it for this video. I hope you found this video really helpful, right? And then if yes, just like this video, subscribe this channel for more such videos, and also like if you have any other system in your mind that you want me to create on this channel, just comment on this video, and then I will that will be my next video. So yeah, thank you so much for watching this video. Bye bye, take care.